Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aurora Wulansa Fitri. Today I'm going to presenting my article, and the title is about playing with the winds. It is from the Reader's Digest Intellect February 2018 article, and it is from page 10 until 12. So I'm going to explain about 2 points. The first one is the summarize, and the second, the chronological story. Alright, so the summarize. This is a story about a 15-year-old paraglider named Deidra Veneration confronts the unpredictable accident with her father while in the air but managed to land it to the ground safely. So this is the chronological story. The first one, they met their instructor to observe the weather and wind cycling. So Deidra and her dad arrived from San Mateo Rizal on June morning. So for about 20 minutes, they are observing the weather. So there are actually a few cloud patches in the sky, and the wind is coming from the south until west. So during Hamagat, the weather is usually wet and unstable, and it is difficult to predict. But during at that time, the weather seems to be beautiful day to fly. The second one is getting and making sure everything is ready. So they are checking their lines to ensure they are free from tangles, put on harness and helmet, turn on my radio and test if it's working to lift up the wing directly above their head. The third one, they are enjoying the view together. So there are sea, mountain, road, bird flying, and small figures that could be just riding along. After 15 minutes playing, they decided to take off. The third one is where the accident happened. So she was in a rice field when that happened. Suddenly, the canopy loses pressure and falls directly uh, in front of the ground. She pulled the brake line in the hope that her wing will regain pressure, but it doesn't respond. It feels as if we were inside a washing machine, being tossed up and down, tumbling from left to right. It is from Deidra that said that. The fifth one is making decision. Beneath, beneath her, there are a sharp bamboo clumps, and from behind, there are a two-story poultry farm, and to her right, it is a narrow stream with barely any waters in it. Deidra chose the narrow stream spot for the best chance of landing safely. And then the last one is they both landed safely. Both of them landed safely. Two children climbed up to the roof to untangle the Deidra's wing, and they led back her to a dirt road where Deidra walked for about 15 minutes to meet her dad. Their fellow paraglider pilots picked her up, and from the expression on their faces, they expected to find them badly hurt. So there was my explanation about the article. Back to question and answer session. If anyone wants to ask, please ask away. Thank you.
Ellen, please.
Yes, Eileen, what's your questions?
Okay, thank you. So I want to ask to you, how do you feel and what you would do if you were happen to be in her position?
Okay, Eileen, thank you for your questions. If I were happen to be in Diandra's position, I would be for sure panic and terrified because I have never, I'm not really much of a fan of height. And to be honest, I don't even know what I would do if I were in her positions. I would probably do the same, finding a safe place to go landing. That's my answers. Next questions from Azahra or Ayin.
India, please.
Sure, Ayin, what's your questions?
My question is how to prevent this accident from happening to you. Thank you.
Thank you for your questions, Ayin. So this is one of those time when we are reminded that the amount of preparation we have, there is no guarantee Mother Nature will surprise us. So the key is just not to be panic if you happen uh, in that accident, because if you're panic, your brain cannot function well. So the accident may happen. That's my answer. The last question, Azahra, please.
Okay, my name is Azahra Salwa Cantika. My question is, what do you think about paragliding in general? Thank you.
Thank you, Tika. So my opinion, paragliding in general is very terrifying sport activities if you don't like height. But for those who have a bravery and likes to try new things, this will be a wonderful experience. And the feeling of free flying among the glaciers and mountain with only sound of the wind. View from the top mountain is all covered with the rice-field patches sounds really fun and relaxing. All right, thank you. I think this is for my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.